If you replaced every part of your body, one by one, would you still be you? It's a strange thought, isn't it? What exactly makes you the same person from yesterday, last year, or when you were 5 years old? Philosophers have been chasing this question for over 2,000 years. And one story, about a very old ship, may hold the key. In ancient Greece, they told of a hero named Theseus. After his great adventures, his famous ship was preserved in the harbor as a monument. But wood rots. Over the years, sailors replaced each plank, one by one. First a mast, then a sail, then the floorboards, the rails, the hull. After many decades, not a single original piece remained. The question was simple, yet impossible. Was it still the same ship that Theseus once sailed? Some thinkers say yes. The ship's identity isn't in its physical parts. It's in its structure, its purpose, and its history. Just like a story told with different words is still the same story. The Ship of Theseus is still the Ship of Theseus. This is called the continuity theory. The idea that identity is about an unbroken chain of connections over time, not about the exact materials it's made of at any moment. Others say no. If every single part is replaced, you no longer have the same object. It only looks the same. This is the replacement theory. The idea that identity depends on the actual physical matter being preserved. And here's the twist. What if someone took all the old planks that were removed and rebuilt them into another ship? Now there are two ships of Theseus. Which one is the real one? This puzzle isn't just about ships. Your body is replacing its cells all the time. Most of your skin cells are new every few weeks. Your bones refresh every decade. Even memories are rewritten in your brain. So, are you still the same you were 10 years ago? If not, what exactly is your identity? Is it your body, your mind, your relationships, or your story? This question shows up in technology too. Cities are constantly rebuilt, yet we call them by the same name. A phone can have every part replaced, but we still think of it as the same phone. And now, artificial intelligence and mind uploading push the question even further. If you copy your mind into a computer, is that still you? If the computer upgrades the hardware, one piece at a time, is the original self still there? The Ship of Theseus may never give us a single answer, but it reveals something profound. Identity might be more about continuity and meaning than about physical sameness. It might be the thread we choose to follow in our story. We are like ships on a long voyage, repaired, repainted, renewed. And the journey ties it all together. So maybe, you are not just the sum of your parts. You are the path you've traveled, and the sea you've crossed.